Hi, this is Malini. I'm going to show you how to propagate seeds from the Bombax ellipticum. This is, and my sister's going to assist me, this is the seed pot, and she collects it by putting in this little lunch bag. And then I'm going to ask her a question here. So Sue, how long will it take to get from here to here?
About 3 weeks.
So about 3 weeks, and then she opens it up and she has all the seeds here. And so what do you do with all these little cotton?
I separate them from the cotton, and then
So she's separating from the cotton, and then she finds the seeds here.
Yeah.
So here's all the Bombax seeds. Okay, and then what do we do next?
we have to plant this. So I put some cactus mix, and then I just kind of forecast it around. That.
And she spreads it around on our cactus and succulent mix, which is good drainage.
And then I put the gravel on top.
Okay, so she covers all of the seed pods with the gravel, and then what are you doing?
Then I have to water.
And she's gonna water it. So you water it immediately. Okay, she watered it immediately. So you can use what we have here, just a spray bottle, and we're pouring water over it. And then we keep it outdoors in filter light, and then it takes about 1.5 years, right, to get to this.
Yeah.
This is about 1.5 years, what it looks like, this Bombax seedling. And I'll put more information and instructions, step-by-step instructions how to propagate the Bombax ellipticum. Thanks for watching.